I'm going to put this front shock back on and put a little bit of blue Loctite on it. And then this is the wiring loom that I was referring to right here. Damn it. And this is stuff I've had for a long time. But I'm going to plan how my wiring is going to go underneath the bike and then up to the top where I have all my gauges and things. I have a main switch right here. This operates the fuel pump. I mean, not the fuel pump, the water pump. So I always turn that on before I start. Then I have my cylinder head gauge and my ammeter. Now, one thing about the cylinder head, I was looking at this, and of course I'm always seeing really cool stuff when I'm out of money. I don't know, maybe other people like that too. But I bought this. Where'd it go? I bought this cylinder head. Actually, this is Westech. They aren't cheap. This is out of California. If you want really good gauges and everything, look up Westech. I think they're great. This is 1-800-400-724. And they have like civilian gauges and they have aircraft approved gauges, which are more expensive because they've got to be exact so you don't fall out of the sky because something sticks. But one thing I'm going to do about this, with this cylinder head thing, I saw this on the internet. And I hadn't thought about it before. It makes sense. Now, water boils at 180 degrees. I don't know what it boils at. It boils at something. But I'm going to take this and put the sender on it right here. And I'm going to take the sender and put it in here as the water's boiling and see if this cylinder head, if the gauge is correct. Because I've been basing all of my motor things on this gauge. I'm hoping that is correct, and I don't know if it is or not. I want to show you something else I just got in. I don't know if you guys were, people out there were following where I put the gyro together, and I had to keep taking off the rear muffler, and I also found out that the right-hand crankcase crankshaft seal was leaking because it's 35 years old. I managed to get me 3 of these seals. The good part is I can still get them. The bad part is I haven't taken off the other side, or actually this is the side that's leaking. I haven't taken off this side to see if that's leaking because the seals are the same age. I can't get the other side for the gyro. And I also, these are the copper crimp deals for the muffler, because you have to take the muffler off every time to work on the motor, no matter what. So I got 2 extra ones of these. I don't use them unless I'm using a kind of a muffler ATV stuff, goop on them. But just in case, I'm going to have these. Because the gyro, they're not making anything for it, and they're going to make less than that. Okay, the battery's running out on this one, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to see if I can get a better shot around here. As you can see, I'm working away. I got to go to work about 4 o'clock, about 3 hours. But I'm out here having fun in the sun. There's my motor, and don't look at me. I'm almost 60, but you know what? I still got my hair, and that's important to me. I'm not some bald fuck. Rock on, Grant Mara, and rock on. Shit, I forget his name. I'm getting old. All right.